kinabahan ako dito, and rightfully so. Ang ganda hanggang sa dulo. But do you think this is the hardest win or championship win of Ginebra, or are there anything hardest? What makes this hard para sa Barangay Ginebra?
Well, it was hard to begin the conference pa nga dahil may mga, sabi nga ni uh, Coach Tim Con, di ba? Alanganin agad kami to start the conference kasi iba
Mm.
mga import, may 7-footers eh.
Mm.
Oh, so it was already an uphill climb. And,
Mm.
tumatanda na si Japet. Tapos, there was also a stretch na may injury si Scotty Thompson. So, ang
Mhm.
dami nilang mga, kumbaga, tests. And then Jeremiah Gray,
Mm.
uh, meron, din, off and off. Pero, uh, yeah, it's safe to say na isa to sa mga toughest nila because over the years kasi pa, when they had players like Stanley Pringle and Stan, ang lalim talaga. May Jamie Malonzo pa. Diba? And
Mm.
this team, wala. Si Ko nga, I was surprised, hindi masyadong ginamit, di ba? Si Ko.
Yeah.
Saka si
Yeah.
Chua. Justin Chua.
Yeah.
So,
Ito kasi, yung huling pagkatalo nila, yun yung medyo bumalasa si Coach Tim Cone eh. So, he just went back to the usual thing that he does, played the same player, and it's
yes.
working out for them. Speaking of playing the same player, what can you say about the toughness of Scotty Thompson? Scotty Thompson, nung in-award yung finals MVP, nakaupo pa siya. Sabi niya, this was unexpected. Although you felt it was Justin Brownlee, I think it's just for the local. Scotty Thompson, what do you think of him? Finals
Oh,
MVP.
wow. They would not win Game 5 kung wala siyang triple-double.
Mm-hmm.
That's the beauty of Scotty Thompson now. Kahit na, let's just say, hindi siya mag-score, you'd know that he's still there, na nasa laro. Kasi nagdidepensa, nag-assist,
Mm-hmm.
nag-rebound. Kasi si Holt, tingnan mo, makita mo talaga na kung hindi siya, even Kinito Henson during the broadcast, palagi nagsasabi kasi sa first quarter pa lang, missing link talaga si Holt. So you really know na kung wala siya, wala talaga. Scotty is, baga, I already said this, Swiss Army knife.
Yeah, yeah.
He can hurt you in so many ways. And then the rebounding, galing ng rebounding talaga. I
Yeah,
think
always. Always magaling sa
arguably
rebound to.
the best
Mm.
the best rebounding guard in the PBA. Easily. Kasi rebounding pouch na many people always think that rebounding is kasi height lang. No. Charles Barkley, although listed siya na 6'9", Charles Barkley by his own admission is only 6'5 and a half. Pero he led the NBA in rebounding during his prime.
Mm.
So rebounding is a residue of hard work. And may instinct, yun na nga sinasabi nila, nose for the ball, saka timing.
Mm-hmm.
So yun,
Yeah,
kaya
yeah.
magaling siya. Tapos, again, and he shoots well enough na, kasi si Holt, pag hindi talaga gumana, pwede mo na iwan eh. Kaya nga nag-TNT, nag-zone. If you notice, TNT used, in the fourth quarter, they used the zone press, and they also
Mm-hmm.
used a zone sa yung malapit na. And that's the reason why si Pinto open na open yung 3 points niya sa
Yeah.
corner. That was a
Yeah.
function of the zone ng TNT. So they
Magic
could
bullet
afford
si
to
Pinto
zone.
eh. Galing.
Oo,
Oh. Mm.
galing. Yun ang pag hindi gumagana si Holt, wala. So pwede tayo mag-zone kasi if they reverse the ball patungo kay Holt, it's either hindi titira yan o palpak yan.
Mm.
Pero doon kay Abarientos, Kati at saka kay Pinto, patay sila.
Yeah.